Good morning everyone. There are 3 new reciprocal functions that I need us to learn. Okay, these are 3 standard results that come up in advanced higher. We are not given these results, we need to learn them. Okay, we're going to have a look at the reciprocal of sine, cos and tan. The reciprocal is when you do 1 over it. So the reciprocal of tan, 1 over tan, sine, 1 over sine, cos, 1 over cos. Okay. So the graph of 1 over tan x, that function we call 1 over tan, we call that the cotangent. Okay, so 1 over tan we call cotangent, and we shorten that to cot. So 1 over tan is cot. 1 over sine, if the graph of 1 over sine would give us, it's not my best writing here, cosecant. So 1, which we shorten to cosec. So 1 over sine is cosec. I'll rub this guy out. And 1 over cos, we call that secant. Okay? So we've got 3 results here that we need to learn. 1 over tan is cot, 1 over sine is cosec, 1 over cos is sec. The way I memorise them is how I kind of coloured them here. Feel free to do this yourself. I noticed that tan has a t and cot has a t. They're the only values, the only functions that have a t in them. So that's how I memorise that one. That one's quite straightforward to learn. So they're the ones with a t. I noticed that sine, so sine starts with an s and cosec starts with a c. So notice how like the letter kind of switches here. So 1 over s is c. And I do something similar for here. 1 over c would give me s. So if I think, okay, so if I've got 1 over cos, so cos starts with a c, so I know that that's going to become sec. Okay, so we've got 3 standard results here that you need to learn. Okay, I'd recommend copying this little slide down here. And if we just have a look at what cos and what sec, the graph of sec x looks like. Okay, so sec, remember, is the reciprocal of cos. So in red here, we've got the graph of cos x. Okay, so starting at 1, down to -1 and up to 1. And so what we've got here in blue, so cos is periodic, it goes on forever, so as does sec. But if we have a look here, so we know that sec x is the same as 1 over cos x. So see if I wanted to, for example, work out, I'll bring this a bit bigger. If I wanted to work out y equals sec of 180 degrees, well, I would work out 1 over cos of 180. Cos of 180 is -1, which would mean that at 180 sec is -1. So if we have a look here, at 180 sec is -1. And we can essentially do that for all of these graphs to get these. You don't need to technically know this result, you need to know like what it looks like. What you need to know is these standard 3 results